So let's see the downloaded ringtones of the Nokia 302. Go to Zoom. Change. Okay. Oh. My name is Dylan. I'm going to deliver the burger, hamburger, steamer, and no stirring ma, haha. It's not really loud. It's a good thing for ringtones. Headphone lower warning. Starting 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Headphone low warning. Send a party! Okay, so this is the downloaded ringtones of the Nokia 302. So now let's turn off my phone. See you again in the next video.
You apologize and say you were very social. Now I know that's a past and I'm feeling hopeful. Together we could be